Hotellook discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at Hotellook and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that make sure you check the link in the description below. You'll find some promo codes and some discount codes that you can apply on the booking so you can save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you don't really need to go ahead and create an account. All you got to do is just come over here onto the website, enter the city or hotel name, add your check-in checkout date, add the guests, and then just simply click on the search button. All right, so let's go with New York City. All right, 7th to 14th, that's fine, 2 guests, and then you can click on search, and then it's going to go ahead and show you an entire list of all the properties available. You can see it's found up almost 1,500 properties right here, and then you can go ahead and filter between them from the left hand side, add all of your filters, all of your requirements, and then you can sort out all of the hotels that you need. Then if you like the hotel, just simply open it up. It's going to take you onto this tab, and here you can go ahead and view all the best deals. So you've got all the deals available right now. This is the best deal. It's available in Zen Hotels, and then you can just simply click on the button, open up Zen Hotel, redirect you to the website, and then over here you can go ahead and book it. And again, make sure you check the link in the description below for those promo codes that you can go ahead and apply to go ahead and book the hotel at a discounted price. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, there you go. Then you can go ahead and book your hotels. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.